Welcome. I am standing in Epler South, outside the new lab, the new dissection lab for our exercise science program. I suppose I'm going to have to cover up and get ready to get in there, right?
Hats and all that. Not today. This is a virtual dissection lab, so we're not going to be doing the blood and the guts and the formaldehyde.
Oh, well, welcome to this month's Rogers Report. I can hardly wait to see this technology. Let's take a look.
So this is our virtual person. We'll call him Rodney.
So this table, we just got it in November of last year, of 2018, and it's going to revolutionize how we're teaching athletic training. So it's a one-time cost, so we don't have that accruing annual cost of storing a cadaver and acquiring the cadaver themselves. So the students are really getting that hands-on learning that they really love and enjoy.
So I can manipulate this cadaver, is that right?
Absolutely. We can take layers off, and you can see the skin, and we can go as deep as we need to go.
This is awesome. I've been here for 22 years, and utilizing this machine and this technology into the exercise science and their future Masters of Athletic Training program is just outstanding.
Oh my
So this
gosh.
shoulder anatomy is high definition, so you can spin it around and you can really get that 3D view.
So the red is the muscle?
Yep. So
And then this is the bone. Oh, this is fun.
if we were working on a real cadaver, as we were taking these pieces off, they'd be gone forever. But
Right.
with technology, we just simply hit this button and they all come back.
I think it's a good supplement to the anatomy class and the kinesiology course that we offer here. They're learning the muscles and the bones and all of those things, but they're learning it on a plastic model. They're learning it in a textbook. And so to be able to take what they're learning and actually apply it and see it in this type of way, it's a game changer for us.
There's a large case library that you can look at different fractures or strains or different general medical issues that we don't always get to see in our athletic populations.
So these case libraries really will give the students a virtual demonstration of the injury itself. So the students can really get a full appreciation of what these injuries do to the athletes.
Using the Anatomage table allows me to interact with a cadaver, and not a lot of undergraduate programs have that. This is the first one I've heard of in the area, but I know there's a couple spread out, but very rare to see. Very excited for it.
It's probably fair to say we might be the only athletic training program in the state of Ohio, maybe even the nation, that has an Anatomage table set for their students. Talking about public institution for the public good, I think it's really neat because many of our alumni, in fact, work in the local community. 15 of our clinical programs where we send students are supervised by our alumni. And what's great is they can come here, they can learn this, and then they give directly back to the community at a higher level than some of our competitor schools.
Essentially, I would like to make sports safer for athletes. Now, concussions don't actually show up on these cross-sectional pieces, but it gives the students a better appreciation of how little space there is between the brain and the skull.
Doesn't get much better.
No, this is just incredible. Well, thank you all for a fascinating, oh, that is really cool. You have seen some amazing technology here, some amazing teaching and learning spaces, and that's part of being a public university for the public good. We are creating amazing academic programs for our students so they are prepared to go out and make a difference in their communities, but our research is also informing the public debate, the public knowledge about athletic training and about healthcare in general. So this technology is great. But you know, we have some old technology here as well that I guess we're going to have to repurpose. Maybe Halloween? Join me next month on the Rogers Report.